Hello, my automatons. Welcome to the Autonomy School, and class is in session. And today's lesson is how to zoom out and zoom in on the Unity display. Now, the reason we want to do this is we are making a text-based game, and we have to put the text on the screen somewhere on something called a canvas, which is this. And we want to be able to see that entire canvas so that we can see the text and whatever it is we do. Now, to do that, you put both fingers, well, at least on the Mac, you put both fingers on your trackpad. And the trackpad is the thing that you use to move the mouse, right? So put both fingers on it and swipe up to zoom out and swipe down to zoom in. Alright? And I think it is the same for the Windows as well. But honestly, I suggest that you just get a 3-button external mouse because such a thing is very useful for artistic apps such as Unity, Blender, Affinity, and Photoshop. In any case, you don't really need to zoom out to see the canvas because if you click here on this game, you will see the game window. And when you see that, the canvas is always centered anyway. But the benefit of using the scene window instead is that you can click on the text. Hold on, let me zoom out. You can click on the text so that you can make changes to it. Right? Without needing to use the hierarchy. Because otherwise, if you're right here on the game window, you can't click on it and you need to find the text and hope you click on the right one. And that does not seem very user-friendly. In any case, make sure that you click Control S or Command S to save your progress. And if you are interested in finding out how we got here and you want to build a text-based game with us, then here, the playlist for it should show up soon. Alright, with that done, our text is in the bottom left-hand corner of our canvas, and I need to show you how to move it next time. But until then, class dismissed.